Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought I would pop on here really quickly and show you how to fold a fitted sheet. There are a couple videos on my channel where I do a laundry routine, and I think in one of those videos I folded a fitted sheet sitting down, and after that video I got so many messages on Instagram about how did you do that? How do you fold a fitted sheet and how were you able to do it sitting down? But I thought that I would try to show you guys, hopefully I can do it, and then you can try doing it at home. I know it can get frustrating, and until I learned how to do it, I would just kind of fold it up into a ball, kind of like looking something like that. But now that I know how, it makes my linen closet a lot neater. I don't have a big linen closet, so everything has to be stacked nicely. I can't roll it up in a ball anymore and shove it in there. I actually have a cool little trick that I can show you after I fold the sheet on what to do in order to keep sets together for each bed, and it makes it easy. When it's time to make the bed, you just pull the whole set out and set it on your bed and you're ready to go. And it keeps the linen closet looking really nice and really crisp, and you can see exactly what sheets go to which bed, and it just makes it easier. It makes making the beds a whole lot easier. So we'll just get started. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do, now this just got out of the dryer. It's a king size sheet. This is my flannel sheet because it is freezing outside, so I have flannel sheets right now. So hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. I'm gonna sit just so that you can see it. All right, so basically what you do is you find each corner, and you can fold it inside out or outside in. It's completely up to you, it really doesn't matter. I'm gonna fold it, inside out so that you can see these markings, and then you can tell exactly where they're going. So you just fluff out your sheet, make sure you've got the corners for yourself. Take the two corners here, the long corners, take them, match them together, and then fold it and pull this side together. Then go down here and try to get your other corners together too. So you should be able to find them here really quickly. Let me flip this inside out. And here's a corner here. I have two corners. One is here and one is here, and these just tuck in together. Okay, so now we have them like this, right? So it's folded halfway, and I've got the corners all into one. I've got two corners in here and two corners into there. So now you can see here is the stitching. So now you just meet these together and fold it over. And so you're gonna have this end, which is the short end, and you're going to have this end, which is the curvy end right here, okay? So now what you do is, or what I do, is I take this side, turn it into a straight line, so it's like this, okay? And maybe if I lay it down, I can show you more. So you take this and you have it in a straight line like that, like that. You take this end and you do as much as you can. Take this corner here, pull it over to the side so that it looks like this. So you see you have one line right here. You have one line up here, and you have one straight line right here. Okay? And then after that, it's really like you're just folding a sheet. So you take this here, you can bring this side over, bring this side over, pull it tight. So you just have this now. And you can either just go ahead and fold it halfway, like that, or you can fold it in thirds and then meet it halfway, and then you'll have a nice neat little package. And you have your fitted sheet. So let me show you that again. All right, so find your long corners, okay? Bring it together. Pull the short side out. Make sure the corners are connected. Come down here. You might have to flip the sheet so that you can get to the corners, which I do. And find your corners here. Here's my other one. So basically tuck the corners in together. Okay, then bring them both to meet. And now you have all four corners into one section. Bring this side straight so you have a straight line. And from here it's like this. So the curve is inside and you're just pulling the sheet nice and straight. If you want, you lay it down. Bring this side over until you have another straight line on this side. Okay? Now, pull this over to here, this side over to here, fold it, and then fold again. And there you go. A nice neat package of your fitted sheet. Now, what I like to do with my bedding, in order to make sure that I have all the pieces that I need for each bed ready to go, is I'm just gonna fold this sheet up really. Right, here's my sheet. This is my flat sheet. This I don't fold into thirds, I just fold it in half. And you can see it's the same size as the bottom sheet. Okay, then just quickly get my pillowcases. Now for our bed, I have two that are white and two that are the green flannel, grayish flannel. These I just fold really simply into squares, like that. Same thing with this one. Fold it simply into flat. And other one. Flat. Okay, so now what I like to do is I take my pillowcase, I take my set, here they are, they're all folded together. Okay, so now for the next step, what I do after I have everything folded up is I just take this pillowcase, one pillowcase, I take the sheet. This is a lot harder with flannel because the fabric pulls. But just get it to the end of your pillowcase and then just stack up your sheets inside. Like that. Like so. Get your pillowcases, do the same thing. Put them in here. So you have a package, a nice neat package. All your sheets are in there. The correct pillowcases are in there, And with this end, all you do, take your case, fold it under, and you end up with a nice set of sheets for each bed. When it's time to do the bed, all you do is you pull out each set and you're ready to go. It keeps it nice and clean, it keeps it dust-free, and it saves a lot of space in your closet. That I was able to help you, and that now you can try doing this at home. When I figured out how to do it, it was a game changer for me, and now it's a breeze. I can do it sitting down, I can do it standing up, I can do it on a surface or not. So do it a few times, practice it, make sure you get all the four corners into one, and then you straighten each side so that you're working with a rectangle, and then you can fold it into thirds, then once more and again, or into thirds again, depending on how small of a package that you want. This is a king size sheet, so it's a little bit hard for me to fold it 3 times. It'd be too thick, so I don't do that. But with my smaller sets of sheets, I do. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you're able to learn something. If you'd like to see more videos like these, please give this a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I would love it if you subscribed and became a part of my YouTube family. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.